So what you need to remove the EGR cooler, mostly, which attaches to exhaust manifold and attaches to intake manifold this way. So we've got EGR cooler, which is that bit, and we've got the EGR, which is that bit. That controls mostly flow of exhaust gases to the engine, which is not preferable for any diesel. Why? Well, you're going to find out later on when I take the manifold off. I'm going to see how badly it's sort up, clogged up, and how restricted the airflow is for it. What you're going to need, you're going to need a T45 Torx bit to loosen these two bolts on exhaust manifold. Use some WD-40 or rust release to get them off. Next, you're going to need a T6, Allen key 6, I think it is. Yeah, preferably a long one, just because you've got one bolt which is literally there, and to get it out you might struggle. So that's that one. Then you've got another one here. That's another one of them Allen bolts. And last one is hiding just underneath there. So as you look, mostly I've got it all loose now, obviously just to show how to. But that's the 3 bolts holding the cooler to the block. Then you're going to need a 10mm just to loosen these two. And the next thing you can do is disconnect that pipe, because that will stay, and you're going to blank it off and connect it if you want to. Preferably a remap would be a good idea, just because you're going to get a emissions fault on the dash and probably check engine. That's because that's going to be disconnected because you're removing it. It's going to leak water just because you've got 2 joints. You might just see it, one is here and one is just behind here somewhere. I'll lower down to the pump. It's going to be lower down to the pump somewhere. See that one? Just here. That's the 2 that are going to leak antifreeze. And what you do, obviously I don't mind, it can leak down and taking that engine out. So you just wiggle it out, make sure these are away because they're going to be catching as they do. Let go with this, and that's all you do is antifreeze. So yeah, you've got a black kit just over here, which I'm going to just fit now, not to lose any more antifreeze. But yeah, it's going to piss out very fast, like.